So here's how to upload digital products to sell on Etsy. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. To sell your product, click on the shop, and once you click on the shop, now it will open this interface. Here you have to click on the let's do this option. Now here you have to enter your shop preferences. Here you have to select your language and country as well. After that, here you have to enter the picture of your product, and once you uploaded the picture, now here you have to scroll down and go to this option. Here it will ask you to upload any videos related to your product. Now here you have to add your listing details. Here you have to enter the title of your product, and you also have to enter other details as well. After selecting your necessary details, now here in the category section you have to choose the category of your product. Now select renewal options and the type of your product. Select the digital as we are uploading a digital product. Once you have added here all the details, now scroll down and here you have to select the primary and secondary colors of your product, and here you also have to enter the width and height, orientation and framing options as well. Once you have added all the details, now scroll a little bit towards the down. Then here you have to select the occasion for your product, and you also have to select the celebration section, and then you have to select the room. Now select the subject and then select the renewal options, and then also select the type of your product. And after that, here you have to enter the description of the product. Here at the bottom you can also add the production partners if you have any partners, or you can simply leave it blank if not. Then here you also have to add the tags relevant to your product. These tags will help your product to rank on the first page. Ultimately you will grab more sales. Now comes the most important part. Here you have to select the price of your product. Now add the quantity of your product. Once all done, now here you will see this option to upload files, and you have to click on it to upload your digital files. Once you have uploaded all the files, now click on the save and continue at the bottom. So this is how to upload digital products on Etsy to sell.